I forgot to mention that you also need to subscribe to my channel and please like this video. Hi everyone, it's time for Let the Wishing Begin. This sign was created by C's Vintage Gifts and More. Please check out her channel and please watch the entire video for the rules because the rules may change, so please watch the entire video. You must be 18 and active on YouTube. By active, I mean watching and commenting on videos. You do not need to make videos. You are allowed 2 wishes every Monday, even if your wishes were filled before. In the comments of this video, please comment if you are in the U.S. or international and wish for only 2 items. They don't have to be crafty items. Please do not wish for more than 2 items or for expensive things like cars, houses, and please do not ask for money. Please no or wishes. And or wishes are, for example, wish number 1, I wish for markers or colored pencils, and then wish number 2 is for adhesive tape gun. That's actually 3 wishes. Don't do that. If there are or wishes, I will delete them. If you can fulfill a wish, please reply on that person's wish comment. The person who made the wish and the wish granter are responsible for getting in touch with each other. Some people can't PM, so if you leave your email in the comments, please delete it after you've gotten in contact with each other. And please mail your items in a timely manner. And please do not give out your information if you don't feel comfortable giving your information out. And please do not leave your address in the comments. If you put your address in the comments, I will delete it. That's just not safe. Wishing starts on a Monday and ends on a Wednesday. A new video is uploaded every Monday. It's okay if multiple people fulfill your wish. Please share or tell others of this video. The more that participate, the better. Do not contact other people or leave a message telling them that you will fulfill their wish if they fulfill yours. This is rude and unacceptable. And please don't list items that you have to give, because I want to keep this a wishing site and not a barter or trade video. So I'd like to keep it a wishing video, so please don't do that. And don't feel bad if your wishes weren't filled. Try changing it up a bit. Try being more specific and try making it short and sweet. Nobody wants to read a 2-paragraph, wishing comment. So just keep trying, and I'm confident that eventually your wishes will get filled. And when you're ready to make a wish, please type A-OK so that I know that you've watched the entire video. And please don't forget to mention if you are in the U.S. or international, and then your 2 wishes. And like I said, that way I know you've watched the video. Now remember, this time it's A-OK. It's different from past videos. And please remember to thank the person when they send your wish after you've gotten it, because everybody likes to be thanked and it's just good manners. So play nice, have fun, and be sure to tell other people about this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.